Try po tayo ng salted egg today. So, baseline po muna tayo ng blood sugar. Medyo mataas po 113 po yung baseline po natin. I think 4.5 hours ago yung last food intake ko. Tapos an hour ago, uminom din po ako ng coffee. So kainin ko po si salted egg and then I'll be back after an hour to check kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya. Isang piraso lang po ito. First hour, blood sugar reading na po. Yan. So, 102. Bumaba po siya from 113 to 102. So, balik po ulit ako after an hour to get the final blood sugar reading. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yan po. Tumaas po ng konti 113, 102, now is 109, no? So, hindi naman po ganun kataas, no? From 102 to 109, so 7 units po lang. Most likely on the third hour, bababa na rin po yan. So, wala pong problema. But you have to take note, isa lang po yung kinain ko. Masyado po kasing maalat if I'll eat 2 or 3 salted eggs. So, yun lang po for this vlog. See you guys. Bye.